What's up, guys? We're heading out to Extreme Dimensions. We're gonna pick up our kits. Well, I'm picking up my full kit: over fenders, front fenders, side skirts, front bumper, and rear bumper. What you getting, Christian?
Front bumper and side skirts.
Front bumper and side skirt for the IS300. Idiot. Hell yeah, just got all the parts. Now we're gonna go home and
Test fit?
I'm not gonna test fit mine hasta probably like Friday, tomorrow.
I gotta cut mine.
But yeah, I got the full kit: front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, over fenders, and Christian got some side skirts and the front bumper.
I just gotta trim the front bumper.
We gotta trim the whole car. Yeah, cause most likely these parts won't fit. I'm curious to see the rear over fenders.
Curious to see the rear over fenders. Rear over fenders.
Mocked up in the car.
Yeah.
You know, I gotta get some motivation, bro.
Maybe not both of them. Yeah, look, right here. That sucks. Hey, you know what? You know what I'm noticing? This is just one. Where the fuck's the other one? Holy fuck. No way. Just one. They missed one. Cool. Cool, so we gotta go back.
Don't tell me I just bought one.
We just bought one. That's how much cheap. Holy shit.
It's the one I don't need.
And yeah, this the one that doesn't need. Thank you. Yeah, look. It was just one. Where's the other one? Did it fly out or what? Nope.
Shit, it covers pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Alright, water actually lines up. Okay, I think you might have cut too much on that side.
No?
No, está bien.
Yeah, look, the line's pretty good. It's actually gonna cover pretty.
We cut it here?
Yeah, it'll cover everything.
That's actually not bad. Even this is like right on it almost.
Le pongo un pinche tornillo. Check it out, guys. So we're missing one over fender and we're missing the one I need. Check it out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it actually fits pretty well. It's a little cracked right there, but I mean, what can you expect for the price I got them for? So that's good. But where's my fender, bro?
I don't know.
Did it fall on the freeway? Okay.
I know it didn't fly off on the freeway. I know that.
You sure?
Well, they gave us two big fender pieces, but they should have had two of them, and I only had one.
Well, that sucks.
So we gotta go back. Yeah, look, the bud lines are actually okay.
We just gotta take off the
Take off
light.
the light. That's the reason it's like that. But if you take it off, look, this is actually okay. Like, yeah, it's actually alright.
Pretty good. Where's my over fender? Duraflex Extreme Dimensions. Where's my rear over fender? Are you sure it's not here?
No, that's the front.
Wait.
Look, this is two side skirts.
And there's only one front. Oh no, there's both.
There's two fronts. That's what I'm saying. There should have been two in there, and there was only one.
The hell?
They usually give you the pair, like the two back, the two front, and then two side skirts, and then like that. So it's usually, it should have been in there, and it wasn't.
That blows.
One.
That blows.
Oh, wait a minute, look.
Check that part number away.
It says rear fender flares.
2, and it says 2. Well, now we gotta find the what's right there. Let's see.
Okay.
Two
pieces.
Yeah.
And there's only one in here.
That sucks.
So, yeah.
Well, we got some footage about it, so we'll go show them. All right. Anyways, what do we got going on?
I think that's gonna break.
Are your parts there?
Yeah. I did get all mine.
Lucky you. Alright guys, so we just got off the phone with Extreme Dimensions, and they're gonna give us back our not our money, but they're gonna give us our missing over fender. So we good. Again with that negativity, Christian.
Hey.
Christian's so negative, guys. But yeah, dudes, we good.
I'm not negative, I'm just like looking at the downside of it, because when they do give it to us, I'll be twice as happy, even though they're not even
Ah, bro. You gotta stay positive, bro. Guess what Christian just bought right now? He just bought another daily because his original daily is gonna be his new track car. Remember that IS300 I showed you guys? Well, he got another one, but I guess this one's gonna be his daily. It's a badass car, bro. It's slow? Well, yeah, it's a Toyota, bro.
Doesn't have a turbo in it.
So is this your new daily or what?
No. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. Let's run it. So how does that new car feel?
Like shit. That thing moves everywhere.
So you're not gonna keep that car?
No.
Okay.
No, that car's gotta go.
I thought for a second I thought you were gonna make it your daily.
No. The black one's here.
So you're gonna flip that car? El Alan.
That was Alan?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. I really wanted daily, but no. That thing's gotta go.
No daily?
No, that thing's gotta go. I gotta start looking for that.
It looks alright.
It looks alright, it don't feel alright though.
Are we gonna hit up that Speedy Dog's place?
Yes. Let's party. Let's go.
Bro, you've been with me the whole day and we haven't ate at all.
I'm starving.
Every time I'm with you all day, wait, I don't get to
We're
eat.
so busy. We're busy. We're so busy doing stuff that we don't even get time to eat. That's true.
All right,
Dumbass.
let's go get some cheeseburgers. We got Speedy Dogs. What are you gonna get, bro?
A hot dog and a burger.
Hot dog and a burger. Perrón. Ahí está. I'm gonna get 2 hamburgers. Ahí me pone 2 hamburguesas. Damn, that looks bomb, bro. It's a hot dog.
Supposed to be a hot dog.
A ver, show me how do you eat it. Oh, ay, Christian, that hurts. Stop. This is the spot. Bomb. Shoot through. This is how you eat this shit.
Alright. How to eat it? I don't know about all that.
What's up, bro? Let me eat my burger, bro.
Fine. I'm eating mine too right now.
Damn, Christian, now you're eating a burger? Estás pesado, compa.
We got another hot dog after this.
Oh, you ain't playing around, bro.
I'm hungry.
Well, I'm gonna finish this one because my other burger's ready. My second one. Hamburger number 2. A ver, Christian, that Hawaiian hot dog. So that's a Hawaiian hot dog.
I guess. Let's try it out.
It's got ham, it's got pineapple,
cheese,
it's got
grilled onions. I guess that's like 1,000 items.
No, that's chipotle, way.
No, chipotle, yeah.
Damn, I better take a bite out of that way.
My stomach's gonna hate me tomorrow.
Christian, ow. Ow, Christian. Christian. Ow, ow. Ah. Ah. Chivato. That was so bomb, guys. I guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe.
Yeah, that's definitely it for today.
And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna work on the coupe. We're gonna see what we can do. Oh, and try to get that that over fender missing. Still laughing about it, but fuck it, we'll get it tomorrow. Peace.